Woman in bohemian print dress, circa 1940s. (1939) Wiesenthal, Viennese Waltz. Bernice Koppel, photograph used in article, Bonnie Scott Beach Girl, Australia, 1950s. Nell Duncanson and Isabel Plant wearing gas masks, Israel, World War II, 1939 to 1943. Salzburg Festival 1946. Gerda Dommerlang, Olympic participant in 1936 from the 3M board. 1940. Old photo, old photograph, digitized slides, scanned photographs, 1950s, 1960s, 50s, 60s, vintage, UK, England. Ostrovox, 1 million vinyl record. Reels of tape. 1947. (1939) Wiesenthal, Viennese Waltz. Friends walking to bathe at the beach, 1940. Salzburg Festival 1947. Attila Horbiger as Jetterman and Elfie Gerhardt as Bullshaft. Thomas Baker and J.J. Rouse, Kodak Australasia Proprietary Ltd, Abbotsford. Lady on Skis, 1940. Seaman on a naval gun, Able Seaman David Ralph Goodwin, World War II, 1939 to 1948. Kodak bromide paper. Anna Pavlova, 1915. L.J. Sterndal Company, Young Girl with Sterndal, Melbourne, circa 1950. Blue vintage car on a dirt road. Woman by Well, 1940. Taken in June 1960. A 121-year-old image of a family of Sami people. Students in front of screens, 1954. Taken somewhere between 1950 and 2005, this photo was a 35mm. 1960s Paris. Retro TV on suburban road. Ken Turner using Kodak camera, Melbourne, circa 1940s. Social Justice, founded by Father Coughlin, sold on important street corners and intersections. New York City. A vintage photograph of a mother from 1921. Thomas Neil Cream, 1850 to 1892, was a Scottish physician. A Victorian home being moved via horsepower in San Francisco in 1908. Munitions workers paint shells in the National Shell Filling Factory at Chilwell, Nottinghamshire, during the First World War, 1971. Women in munitions during the First World War. Irma the Body, aka Mary Goodneighbor.